Hey guys, welcome back to Easy Internet, and on today's video we're gonna see how to use Google Gemini AI. So first search Google Gemini, click on the link, and you'll be directed to the home page of the Gemini. Now the AI has been opened. As you can see the interface, it is pretty straightforward. On the left side, as you can see, all your recent opened or recently searched prompts are available where you can go back. You can collapse this window if you don't want it. Here is help. In help you can look for the updates for Gemini and you can know what all updates have been done on the app. In settings there are system settings, like you can change it to dark mode. You can have the real-time responses enabled or disabled. And you can also add extensions. Here you can see these are some sample prompts that you can use so you can know the workflow and how Gemini AI helps you do your tasks and make your work much easier. For example, let's now click on help me plan a game with 5 friends for a night under $100. If I click on that, it will create a time schedule, a timetable for me, a proper it will suggest me that how I should spend the game night with my friends under the $100 budget. And you can see it has given me a proper overview and a proper table on where should I spend the money, how should I spend the money, and what all activities me and my friends could do on our game night. So I can just note this down and take Gemini's help with tasks like these. Now, if you want to enter a custom prompt, like let's say I want to plan my day out, and you can see I just enter it, and based on my location where I am located, it will suggest me places and things to do from that city. Like for example, first it is telling me to start my day with a breakfast, and then I should roam these places and this and that. Now I don't want these two prompts here on my screen. I want a completely new screen with none of these prompts, and I want to start new. So just go to the left and click on new chat. Now you can see all of those prompts are gone and they are here on my recent tabs, on my recent prompt list. You can pin them. You can rename the prompts as per you like. And you can also delete them. To make AI help you properly with your task, you should give Gemini AI detailed and described prompts for it to help you properly, because the more proper and more uh, described the prompt is, Gemini will then suggest you in much detail and it will help you out much more. For example, if I want to write a story, I would write like this. I would search for a prompt like this. The more specific you get with your points, the better your search results would be. Now, if I write a simple prompt like write me a story about a dog and I just enter it, you can see it has given me a proper story. But if you read it through, you know it is not that much, it is not very interesting, it is very basic. And to make it more interesting, you should give it proper detailed prompts. You can also upload any image on Gemini to help you understand what the image is about, or you can just take the image as a reference and make Gemini help you with it. For example, I'm going to take this image and it's an Excel image. It contains all data. So I'm going to tell Gemini to just summarize this data for me. Click enter. Now Gemini will successfully and clearly summarize whatever data was there in that sheet, in that photo, to me. And you can see it will give me a good described summarized report of whatever was on that image. Now let's see, I want the same data but to be in a sheet format, like let's see Google Sheet format, or I just want the data to be more simplified. So what I'll do is just tell the AI to do it for me. Now, right here you can see you can directly just edit the note rather than writing and just typing and uploading the image again. I can just click here on edit the note and you can edit it however you like. So it's not compulsory to always open a new chat or enter a new prompt. You can always edit the existing prompt and update it, and Gemini will update it accordingly. Now I'm telling it to give me a short report on an Excel sheet. So let's see if it does that or not. As you can see, here it has first summarized me in brief about the data, and then it has given me an easy, simple look for the data. It has summarized all the data points and compiled into a simpler Excel sheet. I can here export these to my Google Sheet. Just click on export to sheets. You can see here it's creating the worksheet, and after it is created, you can just open the worksheet, and here you can see the Google data that was much more complicated before on that image is now simplified, and it's more simplified and easy to look and understand. And that's it. That's the basic of Gemini and how to use Gemini. I hope this video has helped you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.